love for you to tell me how that shift happens from SaaS all the way to agents.
Yeah, I mean, to me, whenever there has been a real platform shift, the core application architectures have changed, right? I mean, if you look back, let's go all the way back to when the relational database was born, right? That was the first time we really said, oh, wow, I can separate out my data tier from my application, right? Before that, we were building these essentially ISAM databases right into the app, and then we said, no, let's have relational algebra, I have SQL, I have data, and then I can build my business logic on top of it. Then, of course, other platforms came, like the web and what have you, and then we said, oh, what's an N-tier way to write applications? How should I restructure my business logic? I think that something of that scale, or if not more, is going to happen, again, with the application logic, right? And this time around, the thing about agents is they are not going to be bound to essentially any one SaaS application and its data, right? So I'll have an agentic sort of view where the task, the intent, and I will go operate and orchestrate all the logic across multiple SaaS applications, right? I'll go call a bunch of APIs through tools use. So I'll call a bunch of APIs. I will, in fact, I'll post-train my model to know about multiple SaaS applications in the agent tier. And so that's what's going to happen. So I think what will happen is these SaaS applications are a CRUD database with a lot of business logic. So the CRUD database will then get orchestrated outside of the business logic tier of just the SaaS application is what is going to happen. Like right now in my own use case, I go to Copilot, I say @sales, which is actually touching Dynamics CRM, brings back whatever the account information, then it brings back information from Office 365, I put it into Pages, I share it with people, the entire workflow, right? Everybody talks about their CRM database, but nobody uses it because, when was the last time I logged into CRM? Never. Except now, I'm every day querying my CRM database because it's so much easier because it's one agent away and it's working with all the other agents. So that is what's going to be the change.